Most people ignore this car because they've never heard of the brand. But here's the thing, nobody tells you about the 2025 KGM Tivoli. For under £24,000, you're getting space that embarrasses SUVs costing $5 grand more. This used to be called the SsangYong Tivoli. The brand changed its name to KGM, gave it a fresh face, and somehow everyone still walks past it in the showroom. Big mistake. Under the hood sits a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine pumping out 163 horsepower and 206 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than a base Renault Captur, more torque than a Nissan Juke. The acceleration feels punchy around town. Plant your foot and it pulls harder than you'd expect from something this affordable. But here's where it gets interesting. The boot holds 427 liters. That beats the Skoda Kamiq, beats the Seat Arona. You can actually fit a full-sized pram back there without playing Tetris. The rear seats have proper legroom too. 6-footers won't be complaining. The roofline is tall enough that you're not ducking your head getting in. Now the catch. Fuel economy is brutal. Official figures claim 40 miles per gallon with the manual, but real-world testing shows it drinks fuel like a sports car. We're talking low 30s on a good day. The automatic transmission is even worse. Sluggish responses, poor fuel returns. Stick with the 6-speed manual if you're buying one. The interior feels cheaper than rivals. Lots of hard plastics. The infotainment system looks dated, but you do get heated leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and a 9-inch touchscreen as standard. Every Tivoli comes with a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty. That's Hyundai territory. That's serious coverage for a car at this price point. The ride is firm, handling is decent but nothing special. It's practical transport, not a backroad weapon. So here's the reality check. This car makes sense if you need maximum space for minimum money and you don't drive massive miles. For everyone else, the fuel consumption kills the value proposition. Speaking of value propositions that don't make sense on paper, next time we're diving into a luxury EV that somehow costs less than you'd think. This one's going to surprise you. Drop a comment if you'd actually consider buying a KGM over the usual suspects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.